In this video, I'm going to talk about this handheld console by Anbernic. It's the RG35XX. I'm going to tell you what it's like to have it and what it can do. So if that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place, so stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and yes, today's video is all about this little handheld console. I absolutely love this. I should have said that at the end. Should have left that for the end so he leaves you in suspense, but I can't help it. I love my gaming. I love the fact that all of the old retro games from the Mega Drive and the SNES, etc., it's all on this little console. It's absolutely amazing. Obviously, it's a video game emulator built inside it, but it's absolutely amazing. I love it. I love how it's shaped like a Game Boy. I never had a Game Boy when I was younger, unfortunately, but it's just smaller than the Game Boy. It's got some buttons on the back there as well. Okay, so first of all, I'll show you what comes in the box. It's a very unassuming little white box, nothing really on the side or the back. Comes with a little cover over the top there to stop it from getting damaged, which is an excellent idea. And it comes in a little box there. It also comes with two wipes, so you can apply the screen protector, which is a really great idea. And I haven't done it yet because I just wanted to show you guys what is actually in the box. So I'm going to do that in a minute. So it's done and it's safe and it's secure and it's not going to get scratched. It comes with instructions as well, and also it comes with a USB to normal USB charger, which is about a meter and a bit. But I haven't used it because I've got millions of them, so I'll keep it in the box and keep it all nice and safe. Okay, let's put all that back in and get it out of the way. Okay, so the console itself it's a really brilliant screen. It's really nice and clear. Buttons, so we've got volume buttons on the side, and on the back there's some volume. On the back there's some trigger buttons as well, and on the other side you've got the power button and a reset button. So it's long hold to press for on and off, and there's the SD card slot there, and there's an additional SD card slot for extra games if you want to. Okay, on the front you can see there's the controller, so you left, right, up and down, and then you've got the normal buttons on the side there. There's a start and select button and the menu button. The menu button takes you from the game into the menu, so then you can choose save or exit or etc. And then the start and select, well, the select is obvious, and starts the game or pauses the game. So you will. Okay, so what we've got on the screen, there is lots and lots of different consoles. So this is the image that you're greeted with when you start the game console. So you've got the game ROMs in there. You've got your favourites in there, so I'll just quickly look at those. I've put some favourites in there. It's really simple to do that. I'll show you in a MoFlow. History, obviously, is history, so it shows you what you've played recently. And search, well, it's really good searching, actually. So you can search for anything like, I don't know, what about Spider-Man? So it comes up on the side there, so you can just start typing. And here we've got Spider-Man 2, Spider-Man Mysterio's Menace, Spider-Man 2 again. That's going to be for a different console, so you press OK. Spider-Man 2, it doesn't say what console it is for though, so you have to go into the game and to see which one it is. These ones aren't bringing up any graphic arts, so that's a bit of a shame. So you press B to go back, and again, and you go into the settings. The settings, there's loads of settings in there. So the battery time, it shows you 68%, so that's going to need charging, well, not for a long time, I suppose. You can shut down, and there's background settings as well. There's lots of different settings in here you can just mess around with. You can change the background settings to whatever you like. There's only a few different options, but I quite like the one at the top. I mean, you can just have it black if you want to, but I like that one. That's quite cool. And yeah, so there's quite a few there, and change the brightness and the backlight time, so it goes into auto standby. History, your favourites. Okay, let's go and have a look at the game ROMs. So we've got PS1, Vertical Arcade, CPS, Neo Geo, FBA, Hack, Main Game, GBA, that's obviously Game Boy Advance, that's the Nintendo Entertainment System, Super Nintendo, Sega Master System, Mega Drive, Game Boy Color, normal Game Boy, PCE, I'm not sure what that is, oh, PC Engine. That is the NGPC. Do you know what? I'm not sure what that is. Being a gamer, I should probably know, but I don't know what that one is. Game Gear, and then there's the WSC. I'm not sure I've ever played that one, to be honest. Let's go and have a look at some Game Boy Color. So you select which one you want, so press A to select it, and then if you press up, you can see how many games you got on there. Someone's got 310 games on it, that's loads. Mega Drive, it's got 635. I mean, obviously, if you know what game you want to play, then you just search for it. But you can scroll through if you want to. Let's load up a SNES game. How about Street Fighter 2? So a little example on what it sounds like and what it plays like. So press start, skip all through that. Game start. Let's go for Guile. Or Greeley, I used to call him when I was younger. Greeley versus Ken. Round one. Can't remember what the buttons are. You got the buttons on the back. Oh, press back to block. Oh, jump. Yeah, you're not going to get me like that. And what I'm about to do is Sonic Boom. I can't remember. I think it's back, forward, back. Oh. So the trigger buttons on the back is the big hits. Oh, blocked all that, didn't I? Finish off with a big hit. Oh, that was an amazing finish. Anyway, so you press menu and it goes back to the menu screen, and you can exit, save game, etc. So I'm just going to exit that. And that was that. So there's lots of other games. Double Dragon 5. Double Dragon 5? Was there 5 of them? Blimey. Learning new things. How many have you got on the... How many games was on the SNES? 1,498 games. Oh my goodness. Game Boy Advance. 909. Well, PS1 has got to be loads on that one. 56. Is that all? That is a surprise. Yeah, let's just try one on PlayStation. Let's see what Crash Bandicoot's like.
Sony Computer Entertainment America presents a Universal Interactive Studios production. Developed by Eurocom Entertainment Software. Crash Bash!
Oh, Crash Bash. Didn't read what I was loading. Is this Crash Bash? Adventure mode? Why not? Oh, so it's a different button to use this one. Let's be Crash. Oh, I don't even know what game I'm playing here. What is this? Skip. Oh, we're loading again. So that was just a little loading screen. Oh, well, anyway, I'm not going to bother playing that because it's not going to be a very interesting to watch. You didn't come here to watch me play games. So that's that. That is the game system itself. It's really good. I'm just going to go ahead and press menu and exit. Yeah, brilliant, really good little console. Loads and loads of games on it. You can expand it if you want to. You can put more games on there if you like. I must try and see if I can do that, because I'm surely you can get more PS1 games, because there is millions of PS1 games, surely. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to see another video of me doing that, seeing what games I can do it, or even if you want to see me playing some games, because I can link it up to my laptop now. I didn't realise I could do that. So that's brilliant, and it's actually a really good graphics, it's a really good picture on the system itself. And I really like it. So if you hadn't noticed already, I do really like this. I do recommend it. I do recommend you rush out and buy one immediately. Okay, so that's pretty much it from me. I think I'm just going to say, if you want to see anything else that's related to this video, you can check it out here, and then you can go forward and enjoy the next video. And if not, then I'll see you later on. Thanks very much for tuning in. I've been Lee's Tech Room. Bye.